So Note 9 is the best smartphone that Samsung has to offer right now. And in this video, I am going to test the hardware of this smartphone, whether it is capable for gaming or not. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is a gaming and benchmark of Samsung Galaxy Note 9 in 1080p 60 fps. So let's begin. I'm going to play these games and I'm going to test the temperature of this smartphone with this phone temperature application. So guys, before starting this video, I want to promote my Instagram, which is Tech Buffet. As you see over here, just go ahead and follow me on Instagram. With that said, let's begin. So first of all guys, let me tell you that this smartphone cost 68,000 rupees. So let me change your expectation a bit. This smartphone should have to perform amazingly, otherwise this phone does not worth that asking price of 69,000 rupees. So let me tell you some of the specification that this smartphone offers. So as you see over here guys, this smartphone is powered by Exynos chipset, which is 9810. Moving to the GPU, this smartphone has Mali G72 MP18 GPU, which is little bit more powerful than the processor itself. So yeah, after that it comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. After that, this smartphone has this beautiful gorgeous looking 6.4 inches of Super AMOLED display. You guys are demanding for benchmark, so here it is. I have did some benchmark and here are the result. So this is the Antutu benchmark result. As you see over here, 2,15,000. So kinda okay in my opinion. After that, moving to the Geekbench 4 score, as you see, 3,533 single core score and the multi-core score is 9,000. Let's play these games. So first of all, let's start with PUBG because it's everyone's favorite game to play. Okay, let me show you that right now. As you see over here, the graphic is on smooth and the frame rate is on extreme, not even on ultra. It's on extreme. So yeah, as you see guys, the frame rate are buttery smooth. As you see, it looks pretty damn good. Okay, why I have thrown that? Let me change the graphic to HDR because HDR might look little bit better. Yeah, it looks pretty dope. As you see over here, 28 people are jumping at one place and they are going to kill each other for surviving their own self. By the way guys, the speakers are just awesome. Even the display is also just great. Someone is here. Okay, I saw someone. Okay, I got one kill. Even though I'm okay, I got killed. So as you saw guys, the PUBG performance on this smartphone is just fabulous. No issues whatsoever, no frame drops as such. And it's like I have not played that game very long, but it feels little bit warm enough. As you see, by the way guys, let me tell you that the display resolution is full. As you see, it is on the highest resolution possible, that is WQHD. So right now the current temperature of this smartphone is 39 degrees Celsius, but I feel warmness over here. Nothing is striking or something like that, but it feels little bit warm as per my opinion. So yeah, that was the PUBG Mobile. Now let's play Subway Surfers because a lot of people play these small games on their smartphone to just doing little bit of time pass. Well, as you see, you can play any games in this smartphone. This is like best flagship Samsung can offer to anyone, so it must be very good. Otherwise, who will gonna buy it? So as you saw, the current temperature is 39 degrees Celsius and the gameplay as expected was spectacular. No issues. There was no frame drops. Wow, the graphics of this game, by the way, it is on highest quality possible and the display is just amazing, as you see over here. Well. Well, I was on 4th place. Okay, so current temperature of this smartphone is 41 degrees Celsius and it is getting hot. And I feel little bit warmness over here, which is not good. And as you see right now, it is on 45 FPS, the FPS limit. So let me put it on 60 and it's okay. Let's resume the game. As you see, it feels very smoother now. Okay, bro. I mean, the frame is metal, so it feels a little bit extra warmer as compared to the plastic devices, but yeah, this is what this is. And let's play this game. Isn't it amazing, guys? Let's go. Yeah, I'm good at this game, like really good. I mean, it's not a gaming smartphone, but even after that, the quality of this game is just amazing, even though it's getting very hot right now. As you heard, the speakers, they are great. I mean, they are fully stereo speakers. It is not like other devices like some other devices like Poco F1, which has stereo speaker, just they enable the earpiece as a stereo speaker, which doesn't sound that good. They are not properly balanced, but in this smartphone they are properly balanced. Both the speaker will give you same amount of output, and the output of the speakers are quite good. But who cares about the speakers that much as compared to the display? The display of this smartphone is just crazy good. I mean, the display is good, the hardware is great. I mean, the processor and the GPU. So the gaming performance of this smartphone is just amazing, as you see. And thank God Samsung for no notch, because I love no notch smartphones. As you see over here, there is no notch. It feels very good to use a smartphone without any notch. So yeah, I have won that game. And as you see, the current temperature is 42.5 degrees Celsius, which is very high in my opinion as compared to other devices which I have tested recently. So I have to say, guys, the performance of this smartphone in terms of the gaming department is just insane. It is very good. There is no issues, no frame drops whatsoever in the gaming department. But guys, believe me, this metal part gets very hot. In terms of my opinion, guys, the gaming performance of this smartphone is just awesome, but the thermal performance is not that good. So yeah, that would be a issue over here. And by the way, let me tell you that it has 4000 mAh battery, so the battery life is kind of very good, so no issues in terms of battery. So you can play a lot of games in the smartphone and they will gonna play very awesomely. Is there any word known as awesomely? If yes, then let me know in the comment section below. But I was talking that if this smartphone, I mean, if you wanna buy this smartphone for gaming purpose, I should say that don't focus only on games, because this smartphone offers a lot more things than games. But the gaming department of the smartphone is very good too. It's very high end. You can play very high end games in the smartphone. Even you can even play PUBG on highest quality setting possible, even on extreme FPS setting. HDR is also available in the smartphone thanks to that OLED display. So I have to say, overall it is very good smartphone in terms of the gaming department. So a huge thumbs up from my side, guys. If you wanna buy it, I will leave a link in the description box below from where you can purchase this smartphone. So yeah, that's all in this video, guys. If you want to see more awesome videos like this one that you have seen, just go ahead. There will be a red subscribe button. Just press that button, and after that press that bell notification icon, so when I post new videos like this one in the future, you will be notified. So yeah, thank you so much and yeah guys, but before that, before I end up this video, if you want to see more awesome videos like tech videos especially related to PC and in Hindi language, just go ahead and subscribe to my Hindi channel, which is Tech Buffet. I will leave a link in the description box below. Hit that like button guys right now. Share this video with your friends who are looking to buy any smartphone and who are interested to watch tech videos. Then share this video with them. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye.